Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Kona EV. The Hyundai Kona EV offers a wide variety of safety and driver assistance features. However, the driving range and the charging capabilities are what really make this electric vehicle stand out, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.